guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn Valentina and today I'm going to be unboxing the Secret Life of Pets 2 activity. So this one visually is very incredible because this has a lot of crazy steps. So we better look after for that. Yeah. So what are we waiting for? Let's get in the video. So now I'm gonna introduce to you the crazy steps. First, coloring. That's pretty easy, but this is a crazy step. You need to bake it. Guys, tell me if you guys have ever baked a paper. And then when you take it out from the microwave, look, you got a Shrinky Dink. And there's some color pencils, so if you really don't have any color pencils, you could use theirs. Next, they had these holders. So did you look at this information they gave? This is so cool. I can't wait for a minute. Let's get unboxing. Come on, guys, let's go, hurry. I really want to get unboxing. Are you ready to unbox with me? I can't hear it. Louder. Yes! I hear it! Let's go, guys! Run! Okay, I think this one can work. I got it. Ta-da! Here is the apartment size. There's a lot of rooms. And look at the windows. They look so cute. I am done upset by looking at this. I love it more than anything. Let's get that. So this is gonna be the floor where we're gonna put and we're gonna set our apartment there. Oh, we got the animals. Look how many animals are there. There's every animal they told behind. There's something else. Look at the crayons, guys. They are so colorful and they just came like the package said it. So now let's set it up, guys. We're gonna move the box apart and move the scissors and ready. Put the apartment here, one of them. There's a lot of rooms and they're so pretty and I really love it. I'm gonna keep it as my own dollhouse or something. Next, we have the other one. We need to also put this in, so I'm gonna go ahead. So guys, I'm done putting both of them in the holders, and this is the outside of the apartment. There's also a coffee shop there. No, there's not a coffee shop there. There's a coffee shop there. I know it's somewhere in the red apartment. You can find it. And this is the inner side of the apartment. So guys, now I need to put in the floors. So they're like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are the other 2 floors. And now I need to go ahead and you might see like these tiny lines. I peeped that one right here. You might see those. You just go in there and peep them out. So I finished one floor, you see. Next I need to do the other top ones. And those are these. And I finished the apartment. I also put the top floor on. It's so beautiful. I love it. I want some more now, but Now it's the hard part. We need to color those animals. And we're gonna bake them, and then we're gonna get them under the finish. I'm so excited. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the animals and place it here and color them. So I'm gonna take Duke, he's a big boy. Keep him in the side. I'm gonna take Max, the main character, this side. Next I'll take Dragon. Now I'm gonna take Dragon and color him first. Done. Similarly, I'm gonna color all of them. I have my animals all done coloring. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave. So guys, I know you'll be so thinking why do you need to put in the microwave? Because this is plastic. For take Snowball, it's plastic. So when you color it, it will fade away. But when you color it and keep it in the microwave, it will not fade away. It will stay as it is. So let's go in the microwave. Guys, look at them. They're in their own place and having fun and playing with their friends. Wow, there are a lot of animals in this apartment. Maybe it should be an animal doctor or animal place or something. And look at the beautiful accessory each house has. This part has a kitchen. This one has a living room. And this one has the living room. That one has the door, the front of your door, the doorway. This one has what did I have? Oh, this one also has the coming through way. And this one has the kitchen. They are so had a lot of fun with you opening this playset. If you got more of these, you might have a lot of fun. But yeah, you need to be careful a little. If you want, you can also glue them there because if it's keep on falling, maybe while in the microwave part, ask help from an elder or your parents because you cannot do it alone. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the icon bell. And we're gonna have a lot of fun these channel days. Stay strong and stay safe. Let's make the world beautiful as it was again. Bye bye.